Blank page syndrome, or what we call writer's block. I think I found a really great solution, and I want to talk about it a little bit today, and I'll show it to you right now. I am in Google Docs, docs.google.com. I click Tools, then I click Voice Typing, and then I click to speak. And here is where I start talking, comma, and I can even use punctuation, comma, and Google simply types what I speak, period. This is my process, period. New line. For a first draft, comma, I'll often speak through some ideas that I have, period. It's a whole lot easier for me to talk than it is to look at a blank page, period. What I'm typing and what I'm talking right now isn't going to be my final draft, period. And I usually get about 95 to 97% accuracy on my first 750 words. And I find it a whole lot easier to go in and edit a wall of words than it is for me to stare at a blank page. So if you have blank page syndrome, I do recommend going into Google Docs, try opening it up, try simply talking through some ideas. They won't be great. It'll just be a first draft, but you can go in and edit. And that's just one little quick tip for beating writer's block. Bye-bye. Hope it helps.